What's up, everyone? We're at Lil99 today. I'm on my tiny but fierce Yamaha R3. I love that thing. So, one of my buddies, a former co-worker of mine, is out here today. It's his first track day. It's really cool. He just decided, like, I really want to get a motorcycle. I want to do it right now. And he did it. He got his license. He got his bike. He got it like 3 or 4 days ago. And he just been riding since. He's at like 500 miles or so on this bike. It's hilarious. It's great. I love it. He is really just like, I'm doing this. So, Chris, one of our track day guys, is offering up bikes for rental for the little track, so Stock 99. And he was kind enough to let him ride the Panda 300. And I'm trying to catch up to him. My tires are a little cold since the bike has been sitting for 30 minutes. So we're warming up the tires a little. You know, this is a smaller track. I don't get as much beating with the tires. Woo! I love that bike. Bill hates coming out here. He hates it so much. I love it. It's fun. Hard to talk and ride and focus at the same time, at least for me. Bill's getting pretty good at that. So, Lil99, why do we do it? You know, it's pretty cheap. It's you can get like a $300 membership and you can pretty much come and go as you please. Or if you are friends with a member, you can come in for the day for 30 bucks. So hey, 30 bucks, they allow anything that is below 300 cc's. 400, sorry. And you can practice. You can practice riding in a more safe environment, and you know, it helps really to do the same thing over and over again and just really hone in your skills. So we're coming up on my friend Kevin and Danielle. She is 14 actually. She just started riding. That's her second time out here. And there's Kevin. So he's doing pretty good. Again, mind you, he just got his license. He has 500 miles under his belt. So I'm very happy with how he does. He's very respectful, riding around. His lines are pretty decent. He's starting to get a little lean. He's starting to move over the butt a little, as you can see. Very cool. I hope. So if he would take the corner a little wider into the bus stop, he would have an easier time. What the frick? Ooh, not bad, not bad. He would take that. See, he could fade out all the way over here, and then he could shoot straight through here, setting it up a little better. Let's pass him. Ooh, parking brake. Getting a little hot. hope I didn't lose him yet. I lost him a little. Let's wait up for him. I'm trying to over-exaggerate my body positioning for him. Show him that if he goes straight or through here, you get the drive out of this corner. Shifting here. I don't get to come out here too often. As I said, Bill really dislikes Lil99. I don't. But I don't get to play here as often as I wish I could. Figure out this corner. I wish Corey would be here to help me. Corey's rough around the edges, but he sure knows how to ride. And check this out, 14-year-old girl, moving, moving, moving. I'm gonna pass her though. I'm gonna give her a thumbs up. Because she is awesome. I love seeing girls on the track. I love it, I love it, I love it. I wish more girls would do it. It's not a man's sport, man. Lady riders, get out here, start somewhere, and do it. It's so much fun. And especially if you, I know the big bikes are a little intimidating, but if you go down to a smaller bike and start there and have fun with it, hell yeah. Don't focus on lap times. Don't focus on people are passing me on my little bike. Focus on what's fun, what feels good, on relaxing and just having a freaking good time. I mean, I don't know what else other than riding horses could be this fun. I would love to be on the big track, but hey, for 30 bucks a day, I will take this. If you're local and you want to come out to Stockton and you need some help getting going, reach out to us, Moto TV. Let us know. We can connect you with Chris, or we can help you out, or we can connect you with someone who can. We are all down to help. We love getting street riders on the track to practice in a safe environment. And there we go. Woohoo, GoPro. Hopefully we got a good slow-mo shot of that. Himself, Kanoe, who lent my buddy his bike. He is just warming himself up. I like it. He rides out here, I think, a little more frequently. So let's stay behind him a little. See what lines he takes. It's always good. I always enjoy watching people's lines. So he takes that a much tighter than me. Interesting. Yeah, he doesn't like this corner. Neither did I. So I can get on the throttle a little faster. I can see that he pulls on me. And since I can match his pace otherwise, that means I'm slacking on the throttle. Oh, there we go. He took it down. There we go. Alright, so we're doing alright. Again, he gets on the throttle a little harder and faster than me. That's kind of always been my problem, getting on the throttle. Woo, that's fun. There's Kevin riding over cones. I believe he failed his first test because he did a run over cones. So Kevin, you're not supposed to hit the cones. You don't get extra points for that. Our 14-year-old girl again. So cool. So cool, so cool, so cool. Lady riders, see? 14-year-old. She is moving. Very adorable. Alright. I am, however, gonna excuse myself and cheat my way past people. I don't like passing really close. I like giving people room. I don't like being passed too close. So I give people room. There's not a race. I'll cheat. Ooh, a little hot, a little hot. Okay, Chris is making his way past the girl. He'll probably catch up to me shortly. Coming in hot. tougher. To get tired, which is a good indicator to call it good. It's really physical. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, this is physical. Physical, physical, physical. Hand up, indicating I'm leaving the party. There's Bill right behind me. Ooh, that was good, but I'm topped out. Whew. I'm a little top city here. Whew, thank you guys for riding along. So hit a comment below, hit the subscribe button. Woo! Ring the bell so you get more videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. Again, if you're local and you want to come out to the little track because the big track is a little too scary, you're a lady rider that needs some help getting into it, let us know. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. I love track riding, I love street riding, I love being safer on the street. So thank you guys for watching. Hit a comment below. Bye bye.